Cold plunge is a very popular and there's a good reason. If you read the Wim Hof method by Wim Hof, it goes over kind of a detailed explanation of the vasculature in your blood. If it were to kind of go end to end around it would go around the earth a couple times. Crazy, right? So that's a lot of smooth muscle that controls the diameter of some of those larger blood vessels. And that's what the benefit of cold plunging really in his mind actually benefits. So it actually works out those muscles that contract when it's cold and then relax when it's hot. And that has a lot of benefits of reducing your stress. I do a lot of cold plunging. I do maybe once or twice a week when I have time, and it helps me in a lot of ways. It gives me a lot of energy, helps me handle stress. Some of the proven benefits of cold plunge are decreased inflammation, decreased chronic pain. So people that have a lot of joint pain and things like that, it actually has been shown to help them a lot. Increases brown fat, which is a great way to burn calories, increases glucose absorption, also actually decreases anxiety. So if you're interested in doing it, you can start by taking a cold shower, 10 seconds, then 30 seconds, then a minute in the cold shower. And that's enough to really give you a benefit. But if you want to go further than that, you can do the full on plunge. Anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes and 30 to 50 degree water is recommended. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried a cold plunge and what your thoughts are.